Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you come across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos State, and to you all my new subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you for joining this amazing family. Okay, all my returning subscribers, thank you guys. Thank you so much for always stopping by to support your girl. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I made this yummy delicious chocolate banana cake. Okay, so if you want to know how I made this cake, keep on watching. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. So guys, please always like my video, comment and share. All right, and please do not skip ads. Okay, do not skip my ad. It's another way you can support your girl. So without wasting much time, let me go ahead now to introduce the ingredients I use for this delicious chocolate banana cake. So guys, for this chocolate banana cake, I have here my melted butter. I'm using half cup of melted butter. I have 1.5 cup of flour, and this is my ripe banana. You can use overripe or very ripe bananas. Okay, I have my half cup of cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. I have here my half cup of milk. So guys, I'll be using 2 eggs for this recipe. Don't stress it. I'm going to leave everything, all the ingredients I use with the measurement in the description. Okay, so do well to check it out. So right now I will start now by mashing the bananas. Okay, I'm using this wooden stick you're seeing here to mash my banana. So guys, I'm done with the bananas now, so I'll be adding in the rest of the ingredients, and first I will be going in with my wet ingredients first. So I'll be adding in 2 eggs to this. I'm going to be going in with my eggs directly because I'm sure of my egg. Okay, if you're not sure of your egg, please break it separately and then add it into your batter. I'll be going in with my melted butter. I'll add in my milk now. I'll go in with my sugar. And then I'll be going vanilla essence. I don't have much, so this is all I have. I'll just go in with everything, and I'm going to mix this very well until everything is well combined. I'll set this aside now, and then I'll mix my dry ingredients. So for my dry ingredients, I've already measured my 1.5 cup of flour. I'll be going in with my cocoa powder, and then I will add in my baking soda and my salt. I'm going to mix this properly to combine. And guys, I'll be adding in my wet ingredients into my dry ingredients. Okay, So I'm going to mix this now. You just have to take it easy while mixing this, okay? You don't need to over mix this. Just fold it in, just the way I am doing it now. So guys, this is what our batter is looking like. I'm going to set this aside and then I will butter my pan. This is the pan I'm using for this cake. I'm going to butter the pan and dust it out with my flour. This so the cake doesn't stick together, okay? So guys, I'll be pouring in my batter into my pan now. If you have any toppings, you can top it in at this point, okay? I'm just leaving my own plain like this, just chocolate and banana, okay? Then I'll put this in the oven now and I'm going to bake. And guys, this is what we have. Our chocolate banana cake is ready. This cake came out so yummy, like so delicious, so yummy. Like guys, let me know what you think of this recipe. Will you be trying out this recipe? And please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed to the channel, okay? Look how easy the cake came out. That's because we buttered and dusted our pan, okay? Look how easy it came out. It didn't stick to the pan at all. So guys, let me know what you think about this recipe. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this out, okay? Believe me guys, you're going to love this cake. Thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to comment, share and subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to this family, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and until I come your next time, stay safe. Bye.